We'd have the programmers build it for us. This is going back to the early 1990s, right? So eventually this collection of things became a platform. The platform was called Great Trade, but with the number 8 in the name, 8 being Great Trade. It was a play on the sound right there. This platform then we gave to all the traders that had all of these things that we programmed in it to do. All right? They sold the platform to, you've heard of Reuters, right? Reuters owned the ECN called Instinet. They sold the platform for $125 million. All right? Guess how much of that I got? Dinner. Now get this out. So they sold the platform to Instagram, a division of Reuters, for $125 million. Reuters took the platform and didn't know what to do with it. And basically, they spent $125 million on the platform and never really did anything with it. 5 years later, they buy the platform back from Reuters. $5 million. The ultimate short. You know? Wow. That's the ultimate short. Sell at 125, buy at 5. Short close. It's crazy. Incredible, man. I tell you, man, I have worked on I'm telling you, every professional platform that exists today, I worked on it. Do you know why? Because every platform builder needs traders to test it. And I always had the biggest number of traders in the US. So every platform designer came to me, everyone. That is Realtic. That's Fusion, which is now Fusion. It was many names before that, Fusion. Right? My favorite platform in the world is not Fusion. It's Sterling. That's my number one platform. But I can't have that for you because you complained about the platform cost of Fusion. And Fusion's like half the price. Sterling is truly Sterling. Sterling is, in my opinion, the most professional platform.